Well, I thought about usual sleeping on the Lilo. Still not that comfortable, to be honest. We're gonna have to work on this. Maybe take some less air out of it, and I don't know. I'll have a layer of something between my skin and the actual plastic. Still don't know how to bleed at night in this tent. I'm gonna go and pack up and get out of here now. I got up and put my shirt on and got back down on the Lilo, and it's so much more comfortable sleeping on this with my shirt on. Why didn't I do that last night? I don't know. I know I need to get up and start packing up, but I just cannot actually be bothered to get out of bed. It's going to be another banger weather-wise by the look of it, which is getting a bit much because we're getting a bit sunburnt now. We're running out of sun cream as well. I think I might have to wear a hat today. It's Friday, we're still at the Siófok campsite. As you can see, I'm totally packed up. Tent and sleeping bag in that one, all the rest of the gear in there, and Matt hasn't even got his tent down yet.
Well, we're just
and look at all his shit lying around here. Look at this.
Sorting my broken
organised, disorganised.
Sorting my broken sunglasses, Mark.
Do you want to say anything?
Yeah. Hello, I'm Daniel from Serbia.
Yes, nice guy we met. He's here with his friends. They're going to chilling at the lake for a few days as well. Yeah, he gave us the palinka for breakfast, which was cool. That certainly woke us up. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks for that one.
You're welcome.
But you know, if Matt hurries up, we can go on our way to Sopron. But you know, let's see how we're getting on. How far is it? 3 kilometres or something? No. 5 kilometres.
Like 5 kilometres, yeah.
It's 5 kilometres back to
It's
the
3
train
miles,
station,
it's
so I think
about
maybe like £11 for a taxi might have been a little bit steep, but we just couldn't figure it out the other day. So anyway, we're going to go back to the station and figure out how to get a shop on. We made it back to the train station. We'll try and find the ticket office, see if we can book a ticket to Sopron. We've got the tickets. The way it works out, we've got to get the train to Kelenföld station in Budapest. Then we have to get another train to Chorna, and then we have to get another train to Sopron. We're going to get there about 5:15, so we're only going to catch the evening of this festival tonight. But you know, we'll get there and we'll see some bands hopefully. So this is the first leg, Siófok. Let's get the train to Kelenföld. We made it to Kelenföld station. Now we've got to find out which platform to get the train to Chorny. That's the next place we've got to go. For a train on platform 5, there's nothing on the screen though. We're told it's supposed to be platform 5, but this station is confusing. You've got to come out of it, then back on the street and back in again to get to the platforms. It's really weird. No, Sopron Geo 14, it's on this one now, Matt. Matt, it's on platform 14 now. It's going to Sopron. That one's going to Sopron. China train didn't turn up, but there was a train going to Sopron, so we thought, well, why go to China? We just go to Sopron. So we just stopped on this one. I don't know if we're supposed to be on this train or not, but we're doing it. So there we are. We're on the way. We're on the way to Sopron. At Sopron after about 4.5 hours journey. There was a train we came in on, and it feels like another hot one. It feels even hotter here than it did in Siófok. I think I'm looking at about 33 degrees. Unbelievable but true. Just wanted to show you this old steam train they've got on the platform up here. Check it out. Sopron, home of Soproni beer. Hi, can I film the steam train? Can't film the train? Okay, right, okay. What a meanie.